A fundamental theme behind the development of the completely new 2019 RDX is in-vehicle technology that's both cutting edge and immediately intuitive regardless of your skill level. A case in point is Acura's clever new user interface. You see, dealing with a traditional mouse, cursor, or touchscreen interface has its advantages, but seeing as cars, move, it was time for a new type of user interface, one specifically designed to work while driving. And that's where absolute positioning comes in. Here, your interaction with the touchpad aligns directly with the result on the main display, which is mounted high atop the dash near your natural line of sight. My finger's on the top left corner of the touchpad, and so that's where my selection point appears. I move down, and the selection area shifts accordingly. Every spot on the touchpad corresponds to a specific function on the display, helping to keep my hand down and my eyes up. You can even swap the main and sub windows with the push of a button. Just think of it as an ergonomic, automotive-friendly touchscreen, sans the fingerprints and intrusive haptic feedback. To the bottom right, where I know my favorite radio station is located, to the middle, I think you get the idea of how incredibly easy this is to use while driving. From the central media center, to the configurable instrument cluster display, to an available interactive head-up display, to embedded conversational voice recognition that actually works. Take me home. See? Every control surface in the RDX Prototype is designed to keep you connected and in control. You can experience this one-of-a-kind user interface and so much more in the all-new 2019 Acura RDX.